Kim Homewood. I'm married to a farmer, a tenant farmer. Our land recently was taken over for housing, so we had to let that go. But I'm here today to fight shoulder to shoulder with other farmers, friends, in solidarity, because this is a land theft. The tax that they're implementing, there's 192,000 farms in the UK. Only 20% have 250 acres. So what they're saying, it only affects the really big farms. It's not true at all. 50% of the holdings are under 50 acres. So you've got to understand that 285,000 people are employed across the industry in these rural communities. Their jobs are at stake. And who's going to buy the farms when the farmers go? It's going to be these BlackRock investment people, isn't it? And people like this. This has got to stop.